Financial independence is the freedom to live life on your terms, without being tied to a paycheck or a 9-to-5 job. It means having enough wealth, investments, and passive income to support your lifestyle. Whether you choose to keep working, start a business, travel the world, or simply relax. For many people, the idea of reaching this goal at a young age seems like a fantasy, but with the right mindset and disciplined actions, it can absolutely become reality. Let's dive into the 10 essential rules that can help you achieve early financial independence. Rule 1. Know your why. The journey toward early financial independence starts with a powerful sense of purpose. Ask yourself, why do you want to achieve financial freedom? Is it to escape the stress of a demanding job, travel the world without limits, spend more time with your family, or pursue your passion without worrying about money? Your why will serve as the fuel behind your motivation, especially during times when the journey becomes challenging. Knowing your deeper reason gives you clarity, which is essential for setting goals and staying focused. It transforms financial independence from a vague idea into a concrete mission. So take time to reflect and write down what drives you. Revisit this why regularly to stay aligned with your long-term vision. Rule 2. Live below your means. Always. No matter how much money you make, it won't lead to wealth unless you learn to spend less than you earn. Living below your means is one of the most fundamental principles of building financial freedom. It doesn't mean you have to live miserably or give up all luxuries. Instead, it means being intentional about your spending and understanding the difference between needs and wants. Instead of trying to keep up with the Joneses, focus on your own goals. Avoid unnecessary upgrades, impulse shopping, and lifestyle inflation. The more you save today, the sooner you can invest those savings and let your money work for you. Frugality and smart decision-making become your superpowers in the race toward early financial independence. Rule 3. Build a budget and stick to it. If you don't know where your money is going, chances are you're wasting a lot of it. Budgeting gives you control and awareness. It helps you see exactly how much you're earning, how much you're spending, and how much you're saving each month. A well-planned budget allows you to allocate money toward your goals, cut back on unnecessary expenses, and plan for future investments. Whether you follow the 50-30-20 rule, a zero-based budget, or a custom system, what matters most is consistency. The habit of budgeting transforms your financial behavior. Review your budget monthly, identify problem areas, and adjust as needed. Over time, budgeting becomes less about restriction and more about empowerment. Rule 4. Save aggressively and automatically. If financial independence is your goal, then saving aggressively is non-negotiable. Saving 10% of your income might be good for traditional retirement at 60, but it's not nearly enough for early retirement. Many early retirees aim to save 40%, 50%, or even 70% of their income during their high-earning years. To make this easier, automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings or investment accounts every time you get paid. By making savings a priority and automating the process, you remove the temptation to spend what's left over. Small habits like saving bonuses, tax refunds, or windfalls can lead to major results. Every extra rupee saved brings you closer to financial freedom. Rule 5. Invest early, wisely, and consistently. Saving money is essential, but it's not enough to build true wealth. You must invest your savings in assets that grow over time. Investing allows your money to multiply through compound interest, turning modest monthly contributions into a substantial fortune over the years. Start investing as early as possible, even if the amounts are small. Begin with low-cost index funds, ETFs, or mutual funds that track the overall market. These investments offer broad diversification and historically solid returns. Over time, consider diversifying further with real estate, REITs, or dividend-paying stocks. The key is to be consistent. Avoid panic selling during market downturns, and don't try to time the market. Let your investments grow uninterrupted over decades, and the results will surprise you. Rule 6. Crush high-interest debt quickly. Debt is a major roadblock on the path to financial independence, especially high-interest debt like credit cards and personal loans. Paying 20-30% interest while trying to save or invest is like trying to fill a leaking bucket. Make it a priority to eliminate these debts as fast as possible. Use the debt snowball method, where you pay off the smallest debts first to build momentum, or the debt avalanche method, which focuses on eliminating the highest interest debts to save more money. Whichever method you choose, the goal is to become debt-free quickly. Once you're free from these financial chains, you can redirect those monthly payments towards savings and investments. Remember, being debt-free is a form of financial freedom in itself. Rule 7. Build multiple streams of income. Relying on a single source of income, like your full-time job, is risky and limiting. Creating multiple income streams accelerates your progress and offers protection against job loss or market downturns. Start with a side hustle that leverages your skills or interests. This could be freelance work, tutoring, consulting, or selling products online. Look into building passive income streams as well, such as rental properties, digital products, affiliate marketing, or dividend investing. Every extra dollar earned can be funneled into your investment portfolio. Over time, some of these income streams may even surpass your main job, giving you more flexibility and options in life. Diversifying your income is a core strategy for achieving financial independence faster. Rule 8. Track your net worth like a hawk. Your net worth is the single best metric to measure your financial progress. It's calculated by subtracting your liabilities, debts from your assets, everything you own that has value. Tracking your net worth monthly keeps you focused on what really matters. It shows whether your savings and investments are growing, whether your debts are shrinking, and how close you are to your goal. You can use spreadsheets, financial apps, or budgeting tools to track this. As your net worth increases, you'll gain confidence and momentum. Small increases each month compound into big results. Make this a monthly ritual like a financial checkup, and you'll never lose sight of the bigger picture. Rule 9. Embrace a frugal and purpose-driven lifestyle. Early financial independence doesn't require living like a monk, but it does require prioritizing value over consumption. Embracing a frugal lifestyle means choosing experiences and freedom over materialism. It means cooking at home instead of eating out daily, driving a reliable used car instead of a brand new luxury model, and resisting the urge to upgrade everything when your income increases. More importantly, it means aligning your spending with your values. Spend on what truly makes you happy, whether that's learning, travel, or time with loved ones, and cut ruthlessly on everything else. This purpose-driven frugality allows you to live richly in ways that matter, while saving and investing aggressively toward your independence. Rule 10. Stay educated and adaptable. The journey to financial independence is not static. It evolves with your life circumstances and with the world around you. That's why it's essential to keep learning about personal finance, investing, tax planning, and economic trends. Read books and blogs, watch finance YouTubers, listen to podcasts, and engage with financial independence, retire early communities. The more informed you are, the better decisions you'll make. Equally important is adaptability. Your strategy at age 25 may need adjustments at 35. Maybe you switch careers, start a family, or face a medical emergency. Staying flexible ensures that you don't break under pressure. You bend and adjust while keeping your ultimate goal in mind. Continuous learning and adaptability are the cornerstones of long-term success. The road to early financial independence is not paved with get-rich-quick schemes. It's built on consistent habits, thoughtful planning, and the ability to delay gratification. It requires you to live differently than most people today so that you can live better than most people tomorrow. The journey might require sacrifices. Less partying, smaller houses, older cars, but it's to something extraordinary: time, freedom, and control over your life. By following these 10 rules, knowing your purpose, living below your means, budgeting, saving aggressively, investing early, eliminating debt, building multiple incomes, tracking net worth, living frugally, and staying educated, you set yourself up for a life where work becomes optional, not mandatory. Financial independence is a mindset first and a strategy second. Begin today, one step at a time, and the compound effect of your decisions will reward you for years to come. Your journey to early financial independence starts now. Make it count. So that's it for today. If you like this video, then please hit the like and subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching.